Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Super Mario on your laptop. It's a fantastic way to revisit classic adventures or experience them for the very first time. We'll explore the simple steps to get your favorite plumber jumping and collecting coins right on your computer screen. Get ready to dive into the Mushroom Kingdom from the comfort of your own device, bringing those nostalgic gaming moments back to life with ease. Once you have an emulator, the next step is finding the game files, known as ROMs. These are essentially digital versions of the original game cartridges or discs. Remember, it is generally recommended to only play ROMs for games you already own. Many retro gaming communities offer these files, so a quick search will help you find your desired Super Mario adventure. With your emulator installed and ROMs acquired, it is time to set everything up. First, launch your emulator and locate the option to load a game file. Select your Super Mario ROM and the game should begin. Take a few moments to explore the settings, customizing video resolution, audio output, and especially your control scheme for the best experience. To truly elevate your Super Mario experience, consider connecting a USB gamepad to your laptop. This provides a much more authentic and comfortable feel than using a keyboard. Most emulators allow you to fully customize button mappings, so you can set them up exactly how you like. Also, do not forget to utilize features like save states and fast forward for added convenience during your gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.